Welcome viewers, this is Dr. J.W. since 1994. This is my last outline on this element of the Tickle versus Giggle. I think I'll leave it from here. Probably enough therapy for people who are struggling with this. Episode 3. When empires started calling delusion justice. Every collapsing civilization eventually reaches the same temptation. Institutional authority begins believing it can redefine reality itself. And the pattern stretches across history. At the Tower of Babel, humanity attempted unified civilization detached from divine order. The result was fragmentation. The Exodus revealed Pharaoh elevating state authority above truth itself. The result was collapse. The fall of the Western Roman Empire showed legal sophistication, unable to preserve a civilization already decaying internally. And the pattern remains consistent. Civilizations fragment once power detaches itself from reality. And that is the severe warning beneath Tickle versus Giggle. Modern institutions increasingly behave as though language overrides embodiment, declaration overrides biology, ideology overrides creation, and courts govern ontology itself. And that is not merely legal evolution, it is civilisational immersion, because delegated authority slowly begins behaving as creator authority. And the institution no longer merely governs conduct, it attempts to govern reality itself. Just think about that for a minute. It's governing reality itself. And when I say that, I mean its conclusions are not in the realm of reality. And that's where judgment historically begins. Not always through immediate destruction, sometimes through confusion, distrust, in identity instability, psychological fragmentation, institutional decay, which we're witnessing in Australia. And the systems outwardly remain sophisticated while internally weakening beneath contradiction. And that's how empires hollow out before collapse becomes visible externally. And the deepest warning here is therefore not political, it is theological. Human institutions possess delegated authority, not creator authority, and courts may publish things, they may publish rulings, governments may enforce policy. But viewers, no institution can permanently stabilise civilization while governing against reality itself. It just can't, because creation remains standing after every empire falls. And don't underestimate what's happening to Australia right now. It is in decline, severe decline, third world decline. In closing, every civilization that attempts to govern against reality eventually fragments beneath the illusion of control. That's it on Tickle and Giggle for me. I hope that's some therapy for people. Subscribe, like, comment to educate me, share the video to help somebody else. Bye for now.